Come with me as we tour this beautifully new construction, 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath in the ever growing community of Sunterra in Katy, Texas. One thing you should know about Sunterra is they're known for the very, very top rated schools, and it was voted one of the 5 safest places to live in US. Now, this house was constructed in 2024. One thing I love about it is this open floor concept. Now, in the living room, you can put the breakfast table and the dining, so it just flows right into the kitchen. So you could design it how you want and really put your furniture the way you want it. I love the double sinks in the kitchen, the stainless steel appliance. Everything about this just really shoots excellent. I also like the fact that the half bath is away from the entry door. It gives privacy. So it's not where you just walk in and see that the half bath. So I like the fact that the half bath is right here. But I want to hear from you guys. What do you think with regards to the laundry room being downstairs by the garage right here? I've had some clients who prefer the laundry room being in upstairs by the primary bedroom, and others prefer it right by the garage. So let me know what you think, okay? And now we're about to go upstairs to go see the different rooms. Tell me what you think about the primary bedroom. I think it's very spacious. So now we walk into the primary bedroom, and we're about to see the ensuite bathroom. What I also like about this is they put the shower separate from the garden tub. Now, there are some that would prefer the toilet being separate and the garden tub and the walk-in shower to be close. But let me know what you think, because I prefer when it's close to the closet, so that way you can always just go change. Now, this is a beautiful and very spacious walk-in closet, as you can see. Now, if you're a first-time home buyer, I would love to hear from you. I would love to give you a consultation so we could talk about, what you would need in order to get a beautiful home like this. Because this houses here in Sunterra are selling like hotcakes. This is the perfect time to buy. Now, all the rooms are upstairs. That's another thing I like about this new construction. What's your favorite part about the house so far? I would love to hear. And this is the second bath. I love the spacing. I love everything, the finishes that they put to it. This is something for the family. And this is the third bedroom. All rooms are very spacious. Oh, I wish it came with a fan, but no. Now, to learn more about this, I need you to contact me and let me know what you all think. I want to know, what was your favorite feature about the house, okay?